Lucy.
What does a doggy say?
Okay. What's a goat say? Yeah, that's a good goat, actually. What's a lion say? What's a lion say, Lucy? Roar. Lucy. All right. There we go. Let's just go straight to the elephant, because that's what it's all about. We're going to go for the crescendo here in the elephant. What's an elephant say? Elephant goes... Do an elephant. What's an elephant say? That's not what an elephant says. This elephant goes...
That's right.
That's an excellent elephant. Excellent elephant.
Hey, Lucy, where's your nose? Where's your nose?
Where's your nose, Lucy?
Where's your belly? Oh, we're stuck on elephants.
Belly?
Where's your belly?
Where's your belly?
We're in
Lucy,
books?
Where's your Bebo?
Yeah.
Lucy,
Okay.
Lucy, come here.